Kiwi, a small, unassuming fruit that packs a punch. It's that fuzzy brown fruit with the bright green inside. You might have seen it in fruit salads or as a garnish on desserts. You know, the one that tastes kind of like a strawberry had a baby with a pineapple? That unique flavor makes it a favorite in many households. Turns out this little fruit is a big deal. It's not just a tasty treat, it's a global sensation. We're talking millions of tons grown every year. That's right, millions. The demand for kiwis is skyrocketing. China's the king of kiwi, but Italy and New Zealand are right up there. These countries have perfected the art of kiwi farming, and people around the world can't get enough of them. They're packed with vitamin C, more than an orange in fact. That's a surprising fact for many, considering oranges are often hailed as the vitamin C champions. Plus, they're low in calories and high in fiber. This makes them a perfect snack for those who are health conscious. All that adds up to one popular fruit. From smoothies to salads, kiwis are making their way into various dishes and diets. But have you ever stopped to think about how that kiwi gets from the farm to your fridge? It's a fascinating journey that involves many steps and a lot of dedication. It's a long journey, folks, full of hard work and a little bit of science. Farmers tend to the orchards with care, ensuring each kiwi grows to perfection. Join me as we get our hands dirty and follow the kiwi's path from orchard to juice factory. We'll explore the meticulous process of harvesting, the quality checks, and the journey through processing facilities. It's a story of dedication, innovation, and a love for this incredible fruit. From the moment it's picked to the time it reaches your table, every step is crucial. The journey of a kiwi is a testament to the hard work of farmers and the wonders of modern agriculture. Farmers and scientists work hand in hand to ensure that each kiwi is not only delicious, but also nutritious. They monitor the soil, the climate, and even the genetics of the plants to produce the best fruit possible. Once harvested, the kiwis are carefully packed and transported to various destinations. It's a race against time to ensure they remain fresh and retain their nutritional value. And finally, they arrive at your local supermarket, ready for you to enjoy. So the next time you bite into a kiwi, remember the incredible journey it took to get to you. It's more than just a fruit, it's a global hero in the fruit basket, bringing joy and health to people all around the world. So here's to the kiwi, a small fruit with a big impact. Cheers to the farmers, the scientists, and everyone involved in bringing this delightful fruit to our tables. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of kiwis and uncover more fascinating facts about this global fruit basket hero. First things first, you gotta plant the darn things. Kiwi farming starts with the basics, and that means getting those seeds or seedlings into the ground. It's a process that requires patience and precision. Farmers often start by selecting the best quality seeds or seedlings to ensure a healthy crop. This initial step is crucial because the quality of the plants you start with can significantly impact the yield and health of your kiwi vines down the line. Kiwi vines need room to sprawl, so farmers space them out carefully in rows. This spacing is essential because it allows each vine to get enough sunlight and air circulation, which are vital for healthy growth. Proper spacing also makes it easier to manage the vines as they grow, ensuring that each plant has enough room to develop without competing too much with its neighbors. But before they even think about sticking a seed in the ground, they gotta prep the soil. Soil preparation is a critical step that involves several stages. Farmers start by testing the soil to determine its pH level and nutrient content. This information helps them decide what amendments are needed to create the ideal growing conditions for kiwi vines. We're talking tilling, fertilizing, the whole 9 yards. Tilling helps to break up the soil, making it easier for the roots to penetrate and grow. Fertilizing adds essential nutrients that the plants will need throughout their growth cycle. This combination of tilling and fertilizing sets the stage for a successful planting season. Kiwi vines like soil that drains well, so they add stuff like compost to make it just right. Compost improves soil structure, enhances drainage, and adds organic matter that feeds the plants. It's like giving your kiwi vines a nutrient-rich bed to grow in, which can make a big difference in their overall health and productivity. Once the soil is prepped, it's time to plant. This is where all the preparation pays off. Farmers carefully place the seeds or seedlings into the ground, making sure they are planted at the right depth and spacing. This careful planting ensures that each vine has the best possible start. Farmers can choose to start with seeds, or with small baby plants called seedlings. Seeds are cheaper, but take longer to grow, while seedlings give you a bit of a head start. The choice between seeds and seedlings often depends on the farmer's timeline and budget. Seedlings are faster, kinda like a head start. They are already a few weeks or months old when planted, which means they will start growing and producing fruit sooner than seeds. This can be a significant advantage for farmers looking to get their kiwi production up and running quickly. These little guys get planted in holes, carefully watered, and then they wait. Watering is crucial in the early stages to help the young plants establish their roots. Farmers need to be careful not to overwater, as too much moisture can lead to root rot. It's a delicate balance that requires attention and care. It takes a few years for kiwi vines to really get going and produce fruit, but once they do, watch out. The vines will start to produce an abundance of delicious, juicy kiwis. This is the reward for all the hard work and patience that goes into kiwi farming. With proper care and maintenance, these vines can continue to produce fruit for many years, providing a bountiful harvest season after season. Kiwi vines are kinda like that friend who needs constant attention. They need lots of sunshine for starters. No sun, no kiwi. They also get thirsty, so regular watering is a must. And don't forget about pruning. Farmers trim those vines like crazy to keep them healthy and producing the best fruit. They also keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Nobody wants a mouthful of bugs, right? So, farmers use natural methods, or if they have to, a little bit of safe pesticide to keep those kiwi vines healthy and happy. It's a year-round job, folks, but someone's got to do it. After all that hard work, it's finally harvest time. But you can't just yank those kiwis off the vine. Nope, gotta be gentle. Farmers check each fruit carefully, making sure it's the right size and firmness. They use special tools to snip the kiwis off, being careful not to damage the vine. It's tedious work, but someone's gotta do it. Once the kiwis are picked, they're sorted by size and quality. The best of the bunch are destined for the grocery store, ready for you to slice open and enjoy. But some of those kiwis have another destiny, a juicier one, you might say. Section 5. From Orchard to Factory. The kiwi's big journey. Those kiwis that are destined for juice, they've got a trip ahead of them. Big trucks transport the freshly harvested kiwi from the orchard to the processing plant. These ain't your average 18-wheelers, folks. They're refrigerated to keep those kiwis cool and fresh during the journey. No one wants a warm, mushy kiwi. Once they arrive at the factory, the real magic begins. It's a hive of activity, with workers and machines all working together to turn those fuzzy little fruits into delicious juice. Section 6. Inside the kiwi factory. Washing, sorting, and juicing. First up, those kiwis get a bath. They're tumbled around in big tanks of water to get rid of any dirt or debris. Then, they go through a series of brushes and rinses to make sure they're squeaky clean. Hygiene is key, folks, especially when you're dealing with food. Once they're all cleaned up, the kiwis get sorted again. This time, it's all about finding any damaged or bruised fruit. Those guys get sent off to make other kiwi products like jam or puree. Only the best of the best make it to the juicing stage. Section 7. Bottling up the goodness, packaging kiwi juice for the world. In this chapter, we delve into the fascinating process of how kiwi juice is meticulously packaged to ensure it reaches consumers in its freshest and most delicious form. From the moment the kiwis arrive at the factory to the final sealing of the bottles, every step is a testament to precision and care. Now for the main event, juicing. This is where the magic truly begins. The kiwis are carefully selected and washed to ensure they are free from any impurities. Once they are clean, they are fed into industrial juicing machines that work tirelessly to extract the juice. The kiwis are crushed and pressed to extract every last drop of that tangy goodness. These machines are designed to maximize juice yield while preserving the natural flavors and nutrients of the fruit. The pressing process is a delicate balance of force and finesse, ensuring that the juice retains its vibrant taste and nutritional value. The juice is then filtered to remove any seeds or pulp, leaving behind a smooth, vibrant liquid. This filtration process is crucial as it ensures the juice is free from any unwanted particles, providing a consistent and enjoyable drinking experience. The filtered juice is a pure, golden green liquid that captures the essence of fresh kiwis. Some factories even add a little extra vitamin C just to give it an extra boost. This enrichment process not only enhances the nutritional profile of the juice but also helps in preserving its freshness for a longer period. Vitamin C acts as a natural preservative, ensuring that the juice remains as fresh as the day it was made. Finally, the juice is pumped into bottles or cartons, ready to be shipped off to stores near and far. The bottling process is a marvel of modern engineering, with automated machinery ensuring that each bottle is filled to the exact right level. This precision helps in maintaining the quality and consistency of the product. Each container is carefully sealed to keep that kiwi goodness fresh and delicious. The sealing process is designed to lock in the freshness and prevent any contamination. Factory workers meticulously inspect each sealed bottle to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and safety. And just like that, the journey from orchard to your refrigerator is complete. The bottles are then packed into crates and loaded onto trucks, ready to be distributed to stores around the world. This entire process, from juicing to packaging, is a testament to the dedication and expertise of everyone involved. So the next time you enjoy a refreshing glass of kiwi juice, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get to you. Section 8, Kiwi, a fruitful endeavor. So there you have it, folks, the amazing journey of kiwi from farm to juice factory. It's a long process involving lots of hard work, a little bit of science, and a whole lot of passion. But the end result is a delicious and nutritious juice that's enjoyed by people all over the world. Next time you take a sip of that refreshing kiwi goodness, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there.